this episode of Hike in Vicenza, we're going to travel to the ancient thermal center of the Venetian Republic, and from there, we'll drive further up to La Gazza at the foot of Monte Plisky. As the toponymy points out, most of the place names in the area have a High German origin. Plisky, for example, can be associated to the Old Cimbrian word for lightning, which in turn is similar to the modern-day German Blitz. We're going to take Trail 110, which bends sharp to the right and then serpentines along the mountain slope in its debris. It takes about an hour to reach the Passo tre Croci, named after the three provinces that still border here: Vicenza, Verona, and Trento. Once at the pass, take the trail on the left, and you'll find yourself on the grassy side of the mountain, passing by World War I remains and enjoying a view of the Val di Rivolto. In 20 to 30 minutes, you'll reach the Zavola Pass, and we'll cross over to the Val Frisel, which we already encountered in a previous episode of the series. Follow the sign on the left of the Mulga to reach the Ristola Pass, and take the bendy route that quickly descends into the natural beechwood at the foot of the elevation. The word Ristola is again of Cimbrian origin, and it indicates a spot where shepherds and their flocks once used to rest. These days, the area is still sometimes used for pasturage, but we can certainly also rest our eyes on the breathtaking view of the hills and ridges below, as well as the whole Vicenza province on a clear day. At the fork, turn left to go back to La Gazza. The whole hike is suitable for the whole family and takes approximately 2.5 to 3 hours to complete.